My name is Nathan Hulsebush, president of Taxman Brewing. Taxman is located in Bargersville, Indiana, which is about 13 miles south of Indianapolis. It's a small agricultural community. We are currently in our new space. It's called Cellar. It's an upscale lounge and steakhouse focusing on wine and locally sourced proteins. Our Cellar space is located above a new bakery concept called Cellar's Market. Cellar's Market will serve European artisan breads, espresso, other coffee drinks. Also have a bottle shop where you can pick up wine. And that shares a space next to our pizza concept called Pizza and Libations. That's all part of a new suite of restaurants that we developed here in Bargersville that spans about 12,000 square feet. We worked with Millennium Sounds on this project. They installed the speaker system, the camera system, all of the low voltage wiring for our point of sale, and our TVs for our digital menus throughout the spaces. Millennium also assisted with setting up all of our Wi-Fi access points. They had to bridge the Wi-Fi between the two buildings and also bridge all of the technology for our point of sale system. My favorite part of working with Millennium Sound and the tech that was installed is it's just easy. They come out, they set everything up, everything's automated, it's on our phones, very accessible. We're just very pleased with the overall way the space turned out, and the integration of technology is, I think, one of the key components. It's great to know we have a local resource available for technical support. So much of what Millennium Sound has done is critical to the overall look and feel and ambience of the space. The disbursement of sound or the free public Wi-Fi to our guests, or just knowing that our staff and our team is secure. If you're in Indianapolis or the community surrounding Bargersville, we'd like to welcome you out to check out our new space, to judge the sound quality, the ambiance, and just check out what we're doing here.